Welcome to our integrated circular economy. Here we mine, refine, manufacture, and recycle, powering the future of mobility. The purity levels are stable at 99.8%.
Good. Start the next batch cycle on reactor 4.
We're showing a slight pressure drop in vacuum sealer 4. Rerouting the flow, I'll initiate a diagnostic cycle on that unit. Here we see the formation charging process. Automated systems load and unload thousands of battery cells while electrical equipment performs precise charging cycles under careful monitoring. The process involves continuous controlled testing cycles in our aging racks, ensuring reliability through simultaneous evaluation of thousands of batteries. All systems nominal. Safety parameters holding steady at 880 volts. Initiating automated transfer. Direct the next load to conveyor line 3. Confirmed. Bay 4 is clear for transfer. Fastening sequence initiated. Torques are holding steady on modules 3 and 4. Confirmed. Battery secured. Panel gaps confirmed within tolerance on the left side.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to final alignment check.
Proceeding to Zone 4.
Copy that. Moving now.
Securing Vehicle 7. All clear.
Keep it coming. Straight back. Stop. Handbrake. Check the sensors. Clear for charging.
Welcome to Volt Motors. We're proud to show you the innovation behind our newest line. It's incredible how far the technology has come. Let's take a closer look at the battery integration here.
Monitoring device connected. Proceeding with discharge sequence.
Confirmed.
The materials are ready for processing. Activating the filtration system now. Monitor the flow rate carefully. Confirmed. The chemical recovery is stable. The robotic arm is successfully isolating the sample.
Good. Check the conductivity on the new batch. Transferring the data now.
Precision check initiated.
Confirming layer alignment.
Robotic arm actuation sequence online.
Throw. The voltage in chamber 3 is fluctuating significantly. Check the temperature regulation in that unit.
Monitoring levels are optimal. Initiating robotic transfer to assembly. Inspection results show high fidelity.
We have a logistics delay in the European sector.
Diverting shipments to the secondary route now.